All right, good morning, y'all. We are coming at you live from, well, it's not live actually, if you're watching this recorded, but I'm recording this while we're in San Diego. And we just finished putting the third meal plan together, so I just wanted to share that with you in time for you to get out and do your thing this weekend and be ready for a great week next week. So remember, with these meal plans, the way that we're doing these is for simplicity, we're saying same breakfast every day, but we'll change that up every week. Same lunch every day. By the way, breakfast this week is going to be egg muffins. Lunch this week is going to be meatballs. Super simple, super amazing. We're going to try to incorporate about the same plants. So you're getting several things that are similar, and we use those throughout the dishes. So this week it's onion and carrots. Same starch, which is going to be potatoes and white rice. Same dessert, which is going to be the caramel corn, which we haven't made yet from Jana, but we're super excited about it. And then some dark chocolate. And then we're doing leftovers for 2 meals for 2 nights, right? So you got one meal that you're doing for 2 nights, another meal for 2 nights, and then we got some flexible days for Friday and the weekends. I feel like that's a really, really good mix of, simplicity, because we got a lot of things being consistent. We got variety. We also give you the ability to have some flexibility. So let's just take a look at what we got going on inside the actual meal plan. So this is roast and chicken crust pizza, two of our favorites. Absolutely, two of our favorites. So for breakfast, as always, we have the shake that you can do. And then if you're going to make it real food, it's going to be the egg muffins. And the egg muffins are amazing, super simple. Or you can skip breakfast. Lunch most days is going to be slow cooker meatballs. I'll show you the recipe for that. Monday and Tuesday, or meal number one, depending on when your week starts, is going to be beef or pork roast. I'd recommend beef if you got it, but either one's going to be great, with onions and carrots and potatoes. And then for dessert, again, the caramel, popcorn, and dark chocolate. And then meal number two, or Wednesday, Thursday, is going to be the infamous chicken crust pizza, probably the most popular post inside Superhumans United. Along with that, Arnica and I were talking about, we think carrots go great with chicken and chicken crust pizza. So you're going to take some carrots and steam them, either in the Instant Pot or any way that you steam, and then you're going to cover them with butter, salt and pepper, like freaking amazing, a little bit of garlic if you want to, or you can just eat them raw, maybe even dip in some ranch dressing or something like that. And then a little bit of cooked white rice, and then again for dessert, caramel, popcorn, dark chocolate. And then Friday, as always, is the leftover smorgasbord, or you can order out a gluten-free pizza that's approved. And then again, Saturdays and Sundays are just like fun days, just gravitate towards something that's simple. Your staples, I would not recommend going off plan, but those are your flexible days. For organ meats this week, I'm going to recommend you try chicken liver with chorizo. Okay, so and all you're doing is crumbling that up in a skillet and cooking them together and put some sauce on it. Now, we have the shopping list on the right here. I think it covers everything that would be included in these different meals. We got meal prep tips. We got a little discussion here on starting with 3 meals a day and moving towards 2 meals a day. Don't force anything. We got some reminders. And then we have the recipes. We got the egg muffins, the slow cooker meatballs, super simple and amazing. We got the beef roast or pork roast. This is like your traditional, your mom, grandma used to make. Again, very simple, real food ingredients. Doesn't take, much beyond some seasonings to make this taste amazing. We roast, I think, at least once a week. And then the chicken crust pizza. Again, thank you, Malia. She brought that to us. Amazing. So simple. So great. Caramel corn by Jana. We haven't tried it yet, but we're looking forward to it. And then the liver and chorizo. Okay, and I think that's all we got. So if this is useful, send me some feedback. Let me know. All right, putting a lot of work into it, and I've had some good feedback from some people. We've made some changes based on some feedback. So if it's useful, let me know. If you want to see something different, let me know. And y'all make it a great week. All right.